The universe is vast, full of mysteries, but none as terrifying or as fascinating as the black hole. A black hole, a place where gravity is so strong, not even light can escape. But what would happen if you, inside a ship like this, dared to approach it? As you get closer, reality itself begins to twist. Space and time no longer behave as we know them. To an observer far away, time slows. You would appear frozen at the edge forever.
But for you inside, time feels normal. The universe outside seems to rush by and fast forward.
As you fall deeper, tidal forces would stretch you into a thin strand. Scientists call it spaghettification.
Once you cross the event horizon, there is no turning back.
Inside, the laws of physics as we know them break down completely. Some believe you'd be crushed. Others, that black holes may lead to new universes. The truth remains unknown, but one thing is certain: black holes are the universe's greatest mystery.